Go green in this well-equipped 2018 all-wheel drive RAV4 Hybrid XLE. It looks great in metallic silver and comes with factory roof rails, color-matched mirrors and door handles, splash guards, and 17-inch alloy wheels. From the back, the RAV looks sporty with a color-matched rear spoiler, XLE badging, a shark fin antenna, and rear privacy glass. The cargo area is spacious and offers plenty of room for extended road trips, and the XLE also features a convenient power lift gate. From the driver's side, this well-equipped hybrid has a clean aerodynamic design with integrated turn signals in the mirrors, fog lights, and LED running lights. Inside, the cabin feels upscale with premium cloth upholstery with exposed white stitching. Features include dual-zone climate control AC, heated seats, push-button start, power windows and locks, cruise control, a power moonroof, a heated leather-wrapped wheel with tilt, and an AM, FM, CD display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, a backup camera, and an energy monitor. In the back, there's seating for 3, a drop-down center console, and with 60/40 fold-down rear seat backs, you can transport larger items or more luggage. Power comes from Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gas-electric drivetrain mated to a CVT automatic transmission. If you're in the market for a fuel-efficient, fully equipped compact SUV, stop by today and test drive the impressive 2018 RAV4 Hybrid. We're located at 1200 Leithhead Road in Kelowna.